The cloud-based data is typically available through some subscription-based sources and then fed into local servers. That's in the middle. The on-prem sources are fed directly into the local servers from where they are on-prem. And sometimes those servers aren't really local, they're just cloud-based. And we're using somebody else's data storage for this instead of just having an on-prem server. Either way, the analytic, that's the circle, the analytic doesn't care, doesn't make the data's data. And data has no agenda, and data doesn't have an opinion, and it doesn't try to have a conclusion and then backfill with data points to prove a conclusion it started with. Data is just data. And sometimes data is great, and sometimes it's not pretty, but it's still right. This analytic produces an output that gets received by that cell phone, tablet, PC, and the stakeholders that own those then get to make decisions about what they're going to do. And if they make the right decision, then the organization and the building and the facility and the production lines go through a metamorphosis. And when they do, the output changes what the input is to those other sources. And the cloud-based and on-prem and secure sources then translate those changes into new recommendations that go through the analytic and then continue to produce an outcome for the stakeholders, which has an effect on the site, and that cycle continues and it keeps going. I call this the digital circle of life.